Hello everyone, welcome to the first flight vlog. I'm not going to talk much through this, just wanted to give you guys a little intro. This is from one of my earlier lessons during my private pilot training, and we did some basic air work on this flight. This was recorded back in early April, and it's July now, so it's been well over 3 months, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys towards the end of it. Have fun. Good. Pitot and static ports clear. Gears, antennas, and brakes look good. Chocks removed. Final walk around complete. No passenger beef. Hobbs intact time is correct in the book. Circuit breakers are all in, and we don't have any alternate static.
Okay.
Alright, seat back and track locked, avionics off, carby off, mixture fluid rich. Why is it mixture hard today? You need to prime it?
Nah, it's warm like this. No.
Alright.
A couple strokes of the throttle should do it.
Yep. Is this working? Yeah, it is. Alright. Clear prop! Yeah. Alright. Master's on. Where's the key? Beacon on. And max start.
The right key?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I should be recording us then?
Yep.
You'll find out when you get home this evening?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it is taking the inputs whenever I speak, so.
Okay.
Alright, pre-taxi checklist. Seat belts and harness. Your flaps up. Heat vent and defrost. Checked. Avionics on. ATIS. So.
Yep.
Density altitude 400. Goshen Municipal Airport, Goshen, Indiana. Automated weather observation 1926 Zulu. Wind 200 at 12. Peak gusts 21. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 3,400. Temperature 10 Celsius. Dew point 01 Celsius. Altimeter 3000. Remarks. Density altitude 400.
20012 gust 21.
Yep.
Alright, and 3000.
So what one radio would you like to use?
This would be 27.
I would agree.
Yep. Alright. ATIS received, altimeter set, transponder set VFR, ADS-B will assume on, radio test. Alright. Taxi light on, brake test. Mine's good.
Alright. Take my brake, my controls.
Your controls.
brakes are good.
Alright.
You have control.
My controls.
Your controls.
Attitude indicator looks good. Turn coordinator is good. And heading indicator to compass needs to reset. Yeah, that's good enough.
Alright.
Alright. Pre-taxi checklist complete.
Alright.
27?
I would agree with that, yep.
Yep, okay, yeah, so,
Yeah, the wind's 200.
yeah.
It's ever so slightly. They were at
Very,
27.
Yeah.
Yep, and then at some point we'll make a radio call.
Goshen traffic, Cessna 8 for Mike Kilo, taxi to runway 27 Goshen.
This good?
Yeah. Right.
Alright, run up checklist, brakes held, fuel check on, trim, takeoff set, flight controls. Alright, look good.
Alright.
Instruments check, no, nothing on. Mixture best power, primer in and locked, 1700. Checked, mag test, left.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Nope. Sorry.
Go back. That was off, right? That wasn't.
Yeah.
That okay.
I moved it a little too fast.
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Alright, carb heat. Checked. Vacuum is good. Amps and volts are good. Oil pressure green, oil temperature green. Idle. Is good. Yeah, I didn't. It kind of hit it, but like I got it back.
2 clicks, not 3.
Yep. Throttle friction is good. Run up checklist complete. Pre-takeoff flaps 0. Mixture best power. RV off. Pitot heat as required. Heading bug, don't have one. Transponder VFR. Doors and windows locked and
I'm secured.
Landing lights on. Turn the nav lights on as well. Time noted. Brakes released.
Alright. We'll take off and I think we'll go to the north. I think it looks a little clearer up there than the south. Don't you agree?
Yes.
Coming over this way.
Yep.
Alright. Kind of just turn. You don't need to brake or anything. Just turn a little bit. I don't see any airplanes coming. Alright.
Nope.
Make a radio call.
Goshen traffic Cessna 8 for Mike Kilo departing runway 27 Goshen. So on takeoff, I'll have it to the left when I start off.
Yep. And then as you gain the airspeed, you'll slowly roll it out.
Yep.
So when we actually go in the air, your yoke will probably be right about in this position.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off all the way into the wind.
Right.
There you go. Heels on the floor. Don't need those brakes anymore.
Yep.
And let's go. Rotate. Yep. And then having that aileron helps you just kind of come up and crab right into that wind.
Yep.
Just like that. Good job.
Yeah, it's not as bumpy as it looked like it would be.
No, it's smoother than it looks. And if we get up above these clouds, it's smooth as glass.
Oh yeah.
So, actually, let's just go to the west here. See
Okay.
plenty of blue sky out there.
Goshen traffic, Cessna 8 for Mike Kilo, upper runway 27, Goshen.
Yep, and then I like to, you don't have, I mean, your radio call was great, but I just sometimes like to add departing west or whatever,
okay.
right?
Yeah. I thought like you say that once you're like pattern altitude and then leave it, right?
Oh, you can make it the same call.
Alright.
Alright. Not a runway, you know, we're not going to land in the runway. Take your hand off the throttle if you want. Be an engine failure right now. Where are we going?
Those fields over there.
Oh, okay, good deal. There's 6,000. Go ahead and lower that nose, get that power back. There's no point in leaving the power in to accelerate just to slow it back down, right?
Yep.
So I'd get your carpet on, pull your power right back, start working your flaps in. You're below 85, you can start dumping them.
And exact traffic, Archer 240, Juliet Alpha, turning left downwind 18, full stop, Indy exact.
Executive 835 Zulu Tango Space Final 18.
Alright. And then again, same thing. Let powered idle, pitch for about 55. Just establish the descent, you don't need to stay in it. There you go. And then when I tell you to recover, I want you to recover. See how we're going to the right? Just a little bit of left rudder. Just a little, not a lot. Yep. See how that wing comes right back up? Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Pull, 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 pull. There you go, recover. Alright. That's a good break.
Exact traffic, Archer 240.
Yeah, me perked up. I thought you were going to drop that wing.
Left downwind 18.
I bet if you go back and look at the camera there, you saw my eyes go, woo! Alright. You're climbing though, we want to be climbing. You see, you're still going down.
Yeah.
Like 2.
Alright.
Mixture in a bit. Alright.
Yeah.
Yep. Pull, 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 pull. There you go. That's looking pretty good. Keep the bank in there though. Rolling a little more bank. Maybe add some power, just slow it down a bit. You're climbing though too. So just, oh, I wouldn't push. Don't ever push in the steep turn. You can really control your pitch with your bank, right?
Yep.
Because you get plus or minus 5 degrees. I say you're only about 40 degrees, but you're climbing. So let's roll just a little more bank in. Right? There you go. Beautiful. That's within standard. Alright. Gonna do the other one on the left? We're gonna go to the right. Think about doing our descent checklist.
Yes, sir. Descent checklist, mixture, rich, fuel on, carby as required, 8 tis and AWAS.
Yep. See how you're coming back up.
Oh, yeah.
The airplane's, yep. Yep. So roll maybe a notch or two. Wait for it. There you go. We can listen to the weather, right? You said ATIS, AWAS?
Yep.
Port, Goshen, Indiana. Automated weather observation 2002 Zulu. Wind 19er, at 11. Peak gusts 20. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 3,500. Temperature 11 Celsius. Dew point 01 Celsius. Altimeter 29er. Remark.
19011, gust 20.
Alright. So let's plan on using the paved runway.
Yep.
Because the more I think about it, I don't know if I want to use the grass today, because all that rain we got
Yeah.
makes the ground real soft, so. But it's 190, 11, gusting 20?
Yep.
Cool.
Alright, altimeter set, instruments check. And check is complete.
And then might want to think about a radio call. How far do you think we are?
5 miles?
I'd say we're further than that.
Really?
Yeah, we're pretty high still. We're still 4,000 feet. I bet that's 10 miles away.
Okay. 10 miles to the south, okay.
Yep.
Goshen traffic, Cessna 8 for Mike Kilo, 10 miles to the south. We're inbound, will be left downwind runway 27, Goshen.
This looks really good though. Alright, we're ready to run. There you go, ready to run. Left rudder. There you go, a little left side of the run. Little left rudder, left rudder, left rudder, left rudder, hold that nose up. Oop, nope. Okay. Oop, then you gotta, yeah, then you gotta switch back, because then you're
Yep.
Gotta give it the right rudder, turn right once the wheels are down, get the aileron all the way over. There you go.
Almost had it.
Yep. And when it's gusty, windy like that, I pull those flaps all the way up. Landing roll out, because then if a gust of wind gets up there, not too worried about it. Alright. Good job. I think we're doing better today.
A little.
And the wind was way stronger than it was last week, so I'm pretty happy with this.
Alright.
Goshen traffic, A4 Mike Kilo, clear of runway 9 Alpha 3, Goshen.
After landing, flaps up, carby off, strobes off, landing lights off, taxi as required, pitot off, mixture as required, trim set takeoff, transponder VFR. After landing checklist complete.
Alright, let's pull up the fuel pump.
22 tires, extended left base for 09er Goshen. This will be a full stop.
That's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment about what your favorite part of the video was. And do share the video out to your friends. I'll see you guys next week with a brand new flight vlog. Until then, take care. Peace.